Welcome to Learn English for Life.
All right. Now that I have taken a shower and gotten dressed, I am leaving. I did not have breakfast, but it doesn't matter. I will do that at work, I suppose. Or maybe I can buy something on my way to work. Well, I need some cash for that. Where is my money? I had left some money here on the table. Where is it? I don't think someone has taken it. Bruno. Sarah. Have you seen my money? Bruno, have you seen some money I had left on this table yesterday? I need it now.
No, Dad. I don't know what you're talking about. I had not seen anything.
What do you mean you had not seen anything? You know I don't like you lie to me, Bruno.
I'm not lying, Dad. I promise I did not see any money. I had gone out when you did it, probably.
No, you had been here when I left the money. I remember you had been watching TV.
You are confusing, Dad. You had arrived from work very late, or that's what Sarah told me.
Yeah, that's right. Because I had scheduled an important meeting for yesterday. Wait a minute. How come you were not here yesterday night? Where were you?
I went to the movies with my friends. I had already told you about that.
No, you had not told me anything, Bruno. Are you lying to me again? Why?
I'm not lying, Dad. I had already asked for permission to go to the movies with my friends. Don't you remember last Sunday? We had played soccer, and then I told you that.
No, I don't remember anything, but it's not right for you to stay out so late.
It was just few hours. Also, Roberto's mother had picked us up from the movies. Oh, come on, Dad. Don't get mad at me. I did not do anything wrong. Seriously. The fact that you can't remember something, it does not mean I did not do that.
No, no, no. Don't change the subject. We were talking about the money I had left here.
And again, I'm telling you I don't know anything about any money. I don't know.
I had arrived from work late yesterday, and then I put my things on this table. I had left like $200 on this table. I had not taken it because I was going to need it today. I had thought about buying my breakfast with that money today, and now there is nothing.
And why do you blame me? I had told you I was not here yesterday. I promise.
Yeah, okay. You were not here yesterday. Then, who took my money?
I don't know. You can ask Sarah. She was here yesterday. She must know.
Call her right now. I need to talk to her. And you are not leaving till we solve it.
Dad. What's going on? I'm doing my homework right now.
I don't care now. I want you to tell me, why did you take my money? Why?
I don't know what you are talking about. What money? What did I take?
Do not lie to me. I had put some money on this table. $200 exactly. And then when I was about to leave, I had wanted to take that money, but nothing. Your brother says you were here yesterday, so you must know where my money is.
What money? Of course I did not take anything. Are you calling me a stealer? And I had not been here either before you arrived. Don't you remember I was with my best friend?
With Patricia? Why had you gone to her house? You did not ask for permission.
I had visited her because she was sick. I had asked you to go to her house before. Seriously? Don't you remember? What's happening to you? Are you okay?
No, I don't remember. Had you told me about that before?
Of course I had told you. I had gone to her house and then I came back home at about 10 p.m.
I don't remember anything. Had not you been here when I arrived? Seriously? Because your brother says you were here yesterday and that he went to the movies.
That's true. He had gone out with his friends yesterday. So, he was not here. Or at least he had not been here before you arrived. And I had not been here either. But I had gotten back home before him. And that's why he thinks I was here yesterday.
But you were here yesterday when I left that money on the table. I need it now. Then, where did I leave my $200, Sarah? Did they just disappear or what?
Dad, I really don't know what you're talking about. I did not take any money or wherever you say.
Somebody took it. I had arrived from work yesterday and then I had put all my things here. I remember everything clearly. I had opened the door, come to the living room and then I had taken my wallet, my keys, and some bills out of my pocket. Then, I left them here. Then I went to my bedroom to take a shower and I fell asleep because I was really tired. So, I woke up this morning very early to go to work and now I don't find my money.
You really don't remember anything, right? Oh, Dad. This is worse than.
What? Why are you looking at me like that? What's going on? All right. I forgive you, but I need you to give me the money. Right now. I can't arrive late to work, Sarah. You know I have to work hard because of you, Bruno and Mom. So, now. Give me the money, Sarah. And next time, don't take anything you.
Dad. Stop it. You don't work. You have not worked since.
What do you mean I don't work? Of course I have to work. Sarah, your mother will get angry if I.
The doctor had said this could happen someday. That you could lose your memory due to.
What? I don't understand. What's going on, Sarah? What happened to your mom? She went to the gym with her friends as usual. She will come back in some minutes. And we will have breakfast together, as we always do. What's happening?
Dad. Mom is not here anymore. Please, don't make me say it.
What? Will she arrive late? Oh, your mom always does those things.
Yes, Dad. She will come late. Come here. I shall take you to your bed. You need to rest. Also, you need to take your medication for depression.
What? What are you talking about? I need my money right now.
Yes, Dad. Relax. Come on. Let's go to your room.